Hello, dear soul. Someday, if I die, don't think that I'm forget you. Just have a look. Just have a look towards sky. My tears will be a raindrop on your cheeks to say, "Hi, my baby. I am still with you. Please don't cry." If you don't understand my silence, you will not understand my word. If you don't understand my pain, you will not understand my tears. If you don't understand my smile, you will not understand my joy. If you don't understand me, you will never love me. Love is the weakest. Love is the weakest where there is more doubt than trust. But love is strongest when we learn to trust in spite of the doubts. When my heart flutters, when my heart flutters and escapes a beat, my baby, my darling. When my face turn, when my face turn warm and cheeks turn red, when I can't think, can't speak, and I can't breathe, I know you are near. You are near. I may not be the one you are waiting for, my dear. But this is true. This is true that I will be wait for you till I die, my dear. I may not be the one you loved the most, my dear. But this is true, my dear, that you are the one I loved always and forever the most.